Hey, hey, what? Ray Mack, hey, what? Hey, what? Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. Love and not hate. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. What? Love and not hate. Come on. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Yes, sir. Y'all in for a treat. We're doing string beans and potatoes, Southern style. I'm taking y'all straight to the country with this one right here. So the first thing we're gonna do, we got us some string beans. I bought these from Walmart, a bushel of these things, and I'm telling you right now, I love some string beans and potatoes. I got 6 white potatoes that I'm gonna clean up and I'm gonna cut into fourths. But right now, I want you to wash up those string beans to the best of your ability. And the only thing I want you to do is pop the top. I don't want you to snap them in half or even take off the bottom parts. I just want you to just pop the top. I'm telling you, we taking you back, old school. Now I got some of this here cured country ham bits. I'm telling you, my God, these trimmings will change your whole life. And collard greens and everything else. And then we have some bacon bits. This is definitely gonna give us some flavor. And I have a good medium-sized onion. And you can use a large onion if you like. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of butter along with the ham bits, along with the bacon bits in first. And I got my stove set at medium-high heat. Now I want you to go ahead and get those onions chopped up and put those in the pot as well. And the only thing we want to do is just cook this meat and the onions along with that butter down just for a little bit, for at least around about 4 to 5 minutes. Now I want you to go ahead and add you just a little bit of water to this so that we can get some of that love off of the bottom of this here pot. I'm talking about all of that flavor that we're scraping up along with this, and it's mixing well inside that water. Y'all, I told y'all I'm taking y'all back to the country with. At this point, I want you to go ahead and add at least 1 tablespoon of sugar. It's gonna bring that flavor out. Then I want you to add at least 2 tablespoons of this here chicken bouillon flavoring. It will definitely work better than chicken broth, please believe me. So I want you to add some cayenne pepper just to kick it up for a little bit if you like it a little spicy, not so hot that you can't eat it. Then I want you to add some of this here garlic powder. And I want you to add some of this here black pepper. A lot of y'all should know out there, man, that I really don't use measurements, but you be the judge of your own measurements. Then I have some of this here tomato, oregano, garlic blend, and you can find some of this stuff at Ross department stores. I'm telling you, y'all, Ross department stores have some good stuff. Then now I went on and I took the clean and washed string beans and added to the pot. And we just want to mix everything together. Now I want you to add you some water to this, okay? But I just want you to put enough water to where it's barely gonna cover the top, because we want this to simmer, but we'll add more water down the line. Trust me, it'll be good. So I let this cook on the stove for at least around 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, I go ahead and I check everything, stir the bottom up. This is that point where I add just a little bit more water. Because remember, we got to cook those potatoes, and those potatoes need water to cook as well. I'm taking y'all back to the country now, I told you. So we really don't want to fully cook our string beans. Now we want to go ahead and add our potatoes to this. Once our potatoes become tender, then this whole dish is done. Trust and believe me. Just kick back, try this recipe, and enjoy. Now at this point, this is when I taste that broth, and if everything is a-okay, it's time to go ahead and serve a plate up. Y'all, let's eat. And I'm serving this up with some skillet barbecue chicken. Please try this recipe. I know y'all will love it, for real, for real. Don't go nowhere. Just savor the moment. This is when you miss Big Mama and you miss Grandma, because this is how they used to cook back in the days. I want to thank you guys for checking out Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Subscribe, please subscribe if you can't do nothing else. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do me a favor and watch these videos. It would definitely help me a lot. Click my ugly mug in the middle and subscribe to my channel. Love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. And also leave a comment below. Love you guys. Peace.